So now I'm gonna try to make one of those traditional snacks for Lantern Festival, and it's called yuanxiao in Chinese. It's kind of a rice balls. You can also see it as a dessert, and it's sweet. And let's try. You see, this is the wrapping, and this is the stuff inside. It's a panda, and later I will eat it. Do you want to try? It's glutinous, soft, and sweet. Can you see the tea leaves there? The yuanxiao is boiled with the tea soup, so you can not only eat it, but also drink the soup, the tea. It's a combination of dessert and tea.